Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to update your shipping address with Apple Pay in 2025. With Apple's ongoing updates, keeping your info current is more important than ever to ensure seamless online shopping and avoid any delivery delays. Whether you're prepping for holiday shopping or just managing your accounts, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you're on the latest version of iOS. Aim for 2025 updates to get the smoothest experience. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Wallet app. It's the one with the wallet icon, usually on your home screen. Once inside, you'll see all your added cards. Tap on the card associated with the shipping address you want to update. This will bring up the card details page. Next, look for the Info or Settings button. It's often represented by a gear icon or 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap that, and scroll down until you find the Shipping Address section. Here, you can view your current address. To edit it, simply tap on the address field. A keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type in your new details. Double-check everything for accuracy, like street names, city, zip code, and any apartment numbers, because Apple Pay pulls this info straight to merchants. After you've entered the changes, hit the Save or Done button at the top right. Apple might prompt you to verify your identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security reasons. Go ahead and confirm that. Once saved, your updated address will be linked to that card for future purchases. A quick tip: if you're having trouble, ensure your iPhone is connected to the internet, as some updates require a sync. Also, if you use Apple Pay across multiple devices, the changes should reflect everywhere after a quick refresh. And there you have it. That's how you update your shipping address in Apple Pay for 2025. It's a simple process that takes less than a minute and keeps your info hassle-free. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.